In this video, I will be showing you how I make these super cute second birthday cookies for a little boy, and they turned out to be one of my favorite sets of cookies. So let's get started. The first thing that I need to do is get the cookie dough out of the bowl, put some flour on to get my dough ready to put in the fridge, and then roll out and bake the cookies. Once the cookies are baked, I go ahead and fill the cookies with all of the colors that I will be using for the order. So this one is just a nice white. And now we have the cute little dinosaur cookies, which are some of my new favorite cookie cutters. I think they're just so cute. And this dinosaur is going to be a turquoise color. Once we have all the cookies filled, I let them sit and dry for maybe an hour or so before I come back and put the extra details on them. So for this cookie, I'm just simply writing happy birthday, and I just go ahead and put my royal icing in a Ziploc bag. I find that that works best when it comes to small handwriting on cookies, and I just use a cute blue and green color for this little boy's birthday. If I feel like the cookie is looking a little plain, I will make one of these small hearts on the cookies that are really easy to make, and it just kind of helps it to fill the cookie a little bit more. Next, with this longer cookie, I go ahead and put 2 Rex because the little boy is turning 2 years old. And then I repeat that with all of the cookies in this shape. Next, we take the dinosaur cookies, and I'm using the same blue to match the other cookies to give him some spots. And then I repeat that with the rest of the cookies that look like this. And then with the baby green dinosaurs, I go ahead and put dark green dots on those ones as well. I just did not show the process because it is the same. And lastly, once the dots are on the dinosaurs, I just go ahead and paint little eyeballs with black food coloring mixed with water. As you can see, these cookies are really simple and easy to make, and they turned out really nice and very clean looking. So thank you for watching.